Death and taxes, the two things that are guaranteed in life. Well, maybe you can avoid taxes, but one day your biological body will fail, and that's it. The smartest person, the richest person, the strongest person. All destined to fail as though it was the only great equalizer that the rest of us can rely on. So let's walk this back. If we are destined to fail, then we can look at our capacity to fail along the way. And it is in this capacity that leaves something to be improved, something to be achieved, and something within to find growth and success. I could rattle off a few hundred quotes here about the role of failure as the path to success, but the only point to be found there is that yes, it is through failure that we can seek the distance between where we currently are and any goals that we may set looking backwards and forwards. Throughout history, anything accomplished was driven by this concept of what could have been should we fail. And in the most extreme example, it is a way for us to envision the utopia that could be and strive towards it. Looking to philosophy, we see great minds rooting themselves in fallacies and errors as a way to dismiss existing theories and build upon them throughout the generations of thought. So how do we tie this to us? Well, we can look at past generations of ourselves as well to identify our failures. Many see failures as an act of not achieving a goal, but you must look at anything you have done, even within the bounds of what you would have considered success and achievement. You can always improve your form in lifting, even if you've broken a world record. You can always do more research on your investments, even if you have made money. You can always smash those like and subscribe buttons if you haven't yet. And through this lens, failure becomes a perpetual act, wherein the only way you can truly find what I would call absolute failure is simply stopping, packing up shop, and not participating anymore. So long as you keep going, even if you pivot to a different strategy or a different measure of success, you have not failed. I would have said that I failed at YouTube with my first channel, but with this framing and running now with this channel, I am pushing forward and have yet to truly fail. So get out there, study your successes, and find your failures. Continue to fail, and observe these new failures. Cheers. Work smart, be kind, and help others. Thank you so much if you've made it this far. Please consider liking and subscribing for more professional development content, and feel free to comment any questions below. Bye.